Hi boys and girls, we are going to practice more of our long O words by writing the names of these pictures. So the first letter of the picture is given to us and then we need to figure out the rest of it. So the first word is bone. So we think B-O-N, and we can't forget that E at the end. Then we're going to write it on the line in our very best handwriting. Bone. Next one. That is a cone. Own. Cone. The next one is a phone. When you see PH together, PH makes the sound F. So we're going to go own. Phone. The next one is nose. N-O-S. Nose. The next one is a hose. 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 Hose and nose rhyme. The next one is note. N-O-T. Note. Then we have three more words. This next one is the word vote. V-O-T. Vote. Then we have home. Home. And our last word is globe. G-O-O-B. Globe. Good job, boys and girls. And then if we turn it over on the back, we have two kinds of words. We have short O words that will do this color. And then we have long O words that we can do this color. So we want to take a look at the two different kinds of words, and we're going to highlight them based on the sound they make, and then we'll put them in the right boxes. So color this for ah. So we're going to look for all the words that don't have an E at the end, because if they have an E at the end, then we know they are not short O words. So there's all of these. And then we'll go back and use our other color and highlight all of the ones with an E, because we know that those are going to be long O words. And we'll write those on this side. Now that we've done that, we can go back through and start at the top. We'll do the first one. Shot. So then we'll go to the next blue. D-ock. And we'll keep writing them until we have all of the words sorted. So go ahead and give it a try, and then check it with mine when you are done. So there's what it looks like when you're all finished. So when you're done, come on to your teacher and see what she wants you to do next.